In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw UML diagrams in StarUML. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to download StarUML to your computer, which is of course available on their official website. And then from here, you want to first go to File, top left, and then you want to create a new project, okay? Either click on New, or you could also start from a new template. So you have a bunch of different options over here. Click on any of these, and it's going to open up a new project you can then go ahead and use, okay? So that's the first step. Then the next one, you want to go to Model up top, and you want to hover over Add Diagram, and in here you'll have all the different diagrams, the different UML diagrams you can go ahead and kind of start drawing or making, okay? So there's a bunch of different ones. Just select the one you actually want to create, and then we're going to play around with it a bit, okay? So I'm going to click on this class diagram, and you'll notice that it's going to create a new working diagram over here on the left, and you can of course switch between different models over here. And then here at the bottom left you have this toolbox, which is kind of the most important part, because this is where we can get all the components to actually draw our UML diagram. So usually I just kind of click on that on the left and drag it up a bit so I can see it better and much more of it. And then here you kind of have these different folders. You have classes, basic, advanced, you have packages, and then you have like a bunch of different other things as well, okay? Now, depending on whichever model you choose, of course, these may look a bit different to you. So for example, if I go ahead and basically just like add a different one over here, so if I go and just add like, I don't know, something different here, like flowchart, as you can see, it's going to open up different ones over here. And yeah, so just know that it could differ a bit depending on which UML diagram you actually select. Now I'm going to click inside this one, and to actually add any of these fields or boxes or whatever you want to call them, you want to click on them and then click on your screen over here inside your kind of your area where you can basically draw your diagram. And then here you can basically go ahead and give them names. You can name them whatever you want, and then you have a bunch of different options like visibility. You can add notes, you could go ahead and add constraints, and then over here on the right you also have a bunch of different options to add attributions. There's a bunch of different things you can do. You can associate them, etc. Okay, so just basically click on the one you want, click on your canvas over here, and there we go, it's going to create it. Now if you want to edit that, double click it and you'll be able to edit it. But if you want to move it around, you can just click and drag it around with your left mouse button, okay? It's that easy. Now of course you have a bunch of different options you could use over here, and then you can just go ahead and basically create them whatever you want. You could go ahead and connect them, etc. So depending on what type of UML diagram you want to create, you can just use these components over here on the left, click on them, click on your screen, and then you'll be able to go and basically just kind of connect these in between each other. You could go ahead and customize them however you want, and that way you'll be able to create your own UML diagram. So this is kind of the basics on how to use this, and of course you can then create your personalized one however you want. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.